The YouTube zero success, 300 videos, nearly zero views. This is Enrich Talks true story, really? Hello, is anybody there? Anybody listening? 80% from YouTube success are lies. What you consume is part of the 4% YouTube products, specially delivered to your screen through YouTube reading mind algorithms. Some facts about YouTube success, truth about this channel, and a lot of expectations. Just to manage success expectations, your potential viewers and future customers don't know you exist. And today, you are lazy again, and this crazy lazy delaying thing, the procrastination thing, is just making things worse in the future. Everything is multiplying through time, even the consequences of the decisions we didn't take in the past. This is the starting point. And, you silly, still you think your channel will grow organic, with waters of hope and no publicity and marketing strategy, dreaming you will make daily money. You lie your brain. Success will come, and 3 years have passed like a blink. We want more money, and all we spend is just time. And money, ha ha ha. Yes. Money are moving in your direction, but the distance between you and them is very high, and we also have the speed, how fast you will accomplish the steps to make money, and how fast are they moving towards you. Time is moving forward, either you do something or not. Why not try growing a YouTube channel? Maybe in a mysterious somehow way, money will come to you. The money that you want, you exist. How do you meet in the future? Welcome to Enrich Talks. Each episode is a life moment captured in words. It is written from the pain of the present, with thoughts pointed to future. If you hate life, you don't have to listen this talk, go hate somewhere else. We do things for our soul and intellectual comfort, we share experiences and helping people, and dreaming of being paid big, for our actions or creativity. 20% Pareto rule is true, only 20%, approximately 60 episodes are gold, written letter to help you, they are destined for profit. A short ebook is in work, only with titles and ideas. More than 1,000 hours invested in this channel, and zero earnings, nearly zero views, but motivation and delay recompensation is flooding my brain. Time is moving forward, either we do something or not. And because we want good results in life, not to cheat ourselves, because it is about our life, not other people's life. Who wants YouTube success? Everyone who has a channel. This is the success I didn't achieve after 3 years of making videos. A number regarding famous YouTubers, only 20% of their money come from views. They make the real money with other products, services, brands, and promoting other people or products. Channels with 1 million subscribers have only 40 million views after 7 years, and the owner is multi-millionaire. How is this possible? Even the channels with 5 million subscribers, and only 100,000 views per episode, something is not real in the numbers. And of course I want to find the way to make money with Enrich Talks, and of course some episodes are really useful, only if they encounter the people who search this type of information. I know that people are searching for it. After 300 episodes, I write better, I grew new ideas about life, I think and observe world, very different than 3 years ago. The problem is, literally building the road from my channel to viewers, and vice versa. Hello, is anybody there? The main source of viewers is viral videos. Instant success comes from a viral video or an unique marketing idea that is shared worldwide, and people love it or hate it. The YouTube first page is only one page, and search engine optimization SEO is not enough for people to find you. You are paid for views, the rest of the story is about marketing, different types of donations, and other products and services you sell, or offer for free. Quality and sincere content is not enough. People want entertainment, and useful things, want stupid videos and ideas that they can identify with. Perseverance, creativity, and spread the message. It is a message of hope, in a world where people hide behind their problems, instead of solving them and move forward in life. In a world where people prefer the comfort of complaining, instead the comfort of results. Everyone have problems, that is why I am here, to share some of my, and to say it in the face, you are just lazy, I am just lazy, this crazy lazy delaying, procrastination thing is just making thing worse in the future, you don't feel them now, this is how regrets are born. 2 links in the description of this talk you will find, one is regarding life problems, packaging problems, and sell them, and the other is personal war, fakeism. Even from fake it till you make it, has its learning facts. Enrich Talks will continue. 20 years have passed since I started this journey, and I didn't achieve success, yet. The vision of success has changed through time, through economic and life crises, being more mature than 20 years ago, and in the present of reality, the desire is still burning, the work is there, only the cash in chin chin sound is missing. Just subscribe.